Neither am I a child, a young man, nor an ancient, nor am I of any caste. We travelled to Kartarpur from Lahore, and the journey took us around 3.5 hours. Kartarpur is situated near the city of Narowal, which is quite near to Lahore. And before we reached there, we really did not know what an amazing experience we are going to have today. My first experience visiting a Sikh temple, and that too the largest in the world. As we entered the main courtyard, on our right we had a huge art gallery, and it was awe inspiring to see how the whole constructional process was laid out there. And that too, like the whole construction took place only in a period of 9 months. So we could see the whole step by step construction. There were art paintings over there, paintings of Guru Nanak, how it was like thought, how he would be looking at that time, and all that was there. And then from there, we moved on to the main courtyard. The temple is situated in the center of the main courtyard. And it is really amazing to see how this architectural block that was constructed, let's say, about centuries ago, it has been blended with this newly constructed architectural features. It all really looked like one whole, not like it was something which was constructed earlier and now the rest is blended with it. So that was really very awe-inspiring to see how it was done in a period of just 9 months. It was interesting to see architectural features which were there, and these depicted the Sikh community. And there was a huge dagger, and of course the one that is, it is like, since it's a symbol, it is larger in size. So it is a dagger which is there at the main entrance gate. And along with that, there is the Sikh monogram, which we could see at the notice board with all the information. So that monogram was there. These were some things which were very new for us as visitors to the place. Earlier on, what used to happen was that the Sikh pilgrims, they would stay in India, which is like about 2 kilometers away from this site. And they would just view the temple through a telescope, and they would do their prayers and return back home in India. But now they can actually come to the site, to the tomb of their religious leader, and they can offer their prayers over there. This historic site is very unique in one way, that it's not only for the Sikh pilgrims to come and visit the site and offer their prayers. People from all religions visit the place, because Guru Nanak, Baba Guru Nanak like they call him, was a believer in humanity. And he was the first one who came to the place, and he did his basic agriculture over there, and his teachings preached humanity. So people from all religions appreciate it, and they come and offer their prayers at that site.